Our present situation or issue is not against Islam. We are not worried what they do, what is their culture. I want to go back to the history of our independence. Independence was formed against British rule because of Jinnah and Gandhi. They told that it cannot be independent India completely. They wanted to isolate Muslim by giving them Pakistan, majority population of Muslim country. But actually the credit is given to Gandhiji for creating independence. It is wrong. It is Hitler which forced British to give independence to India. If Gandhiji is responsible for India's independence, why Sri Lanka, Malaysia and other country got freedom? There were no Gandhi there. So it is the British who could not control India because of their own pressure in their own country. Now, having got Pakistan, the Muslim who wanted to remain in India, they are not loyal to India. What they do, because in Assam the problem is created right now, and their strategy is very simple. In democratic country, they infiltrate the country, neighboring country, and create majority, because democratic country works on voting right, and they create voting rights and they drive the local Hindu people and make them minority. We the Hindus in Assam are becoming refugee in our own country. This is the problem. We don't care Islam is good, bad, what they do. We don't want any conversion. If they convert, other people can also convert. But our law, Hinduism, doesn't permit conversion. If we wanted to do justice to their own justification, in 1971, Bangladesh we would have acquired and it would be under India. We didn't do that. And even in Kashmir, the law was, British told, if the ruler of that state can independently decide whether they want to go to India or Pakistan. And the Hari Singh, the ruler of Kashmir, decided to go to India. But population was more majority of Muslim. So there was a protest and they invaded Kashmir, and at the line of control they were stopped because Hari Singh wanted help from India. And that line of control after so many years remains still the dividing line. And that is there. Everywhere Muslim creates problem here in India, we tolerate. Our president had been a Muslim, our chief justice had been Muslim. We don't distinguish. We are like America, cosmopolitan country. But if you are attacked, we have to defend ourselves. And in Assam, the strategy is simple. They create majority, and at one time they will say, we want to merge with Bangladesh. Yeah. We don't want that. The law should be protected and we should be safeguarded. India should remain, even if it is not Hindu religion majority, but we should not become minority in our own country. So that is the main issue. People correlate with their culture. We don't care they marry 4 times or anything, but they cannot marry 4 times and don't have birth control to create majority. They create majority by conversion. Conversion should be stopped. If they convert, then we should drive them out bluntly and kick them out, and government should support. There are 3 major positions in India: President, Vice President and Prime Minister. The present understanding without someone's knowledge is 1 man out of the 3 must be Muslim. This law cannot prevail. All 3 can be Hindus, but it is not a law that 1 position should be of Muslim or some other reason. We have Sikh President Jail Singh, we had Zakir Hussain, Muslim President, etc. So it is not India's fault. Now on November 26, Pakistan attacked India. 169 people were killed, and the person who is caught, Kasab, is still in our custody. It's 4 years. He is not executed yet. Before him, there was Afzal Guru. He was caught attacking our parliament. He is still not executed. Supreme Court has given order, execute him, because we are too liberal, patient, and we don't execute, we don't take action against Muslim. But had it been Hindu, probably next day he would have been killed or executed. This is we don't want. We want whether Congress is there or BJP is there, but law and order should prevail. It should not be against the majority religion. That is our consideration.
I understand, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.